Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Google AI Studio, your all-in-one AI development hub, a comprehensive tutorial. Google AI Studio, formerly known as makersuite, is a web-based platform designed to simplify the prototyping and experimentation of generative AI models. It offers a user-friendly interface to build, test, and refine prompts, iterate on model parameters, and deploy your AI creations quickly, making it a potential replacement, or valuable addition, to your existing AI tech stack. This tutorial provides a detailed walkthrough of Google AI Studio, covering key features, code examples, and potential use cases, empowering you to harness its power effectively. We'll cover 1. Introduction to Google AI Studio ** Overview, Benefits, and Limitations. 2. Setting up your Google AI Studio environment * Project Creation, API Keys, and Authentication. 3. Exploring available models * PaLM 2, Gemini Pro, Imagen, and more. 4. Prompt engineering and prototyping *. Text prompts * creating effective